Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Solutions, your one-stop to travel, work, study and settle abroad. So today we are talking about migrating to Australia through the Subclass 482 visa. This visa allows skilled workers to live and work in Australia, eventually leading to permanent residency for both the applicant and their family. At Receptive Solutions, we are committed of guiding you at every step of the way. Well, let's break down the process step by step. Step 1. Obtaining the resume and matching job requirements. The first step is to obtain your resume. After we have your resume, we will review it carefully and check whether there is a job requirement according to your profile. Our team works closely with employers in Australia to check whether there are roles that match your qualifications and skills. If there is a match, we move on to the next stage. Well, the step 2 is positive skills assessment. If your resume aligns with an open position, we will then receive a positive skills assessment. This assessment is crucial as it verifies that your skills and qualifications experience meet the Australian standard for your chosen occupation. With the positive skills assessment in hand, we can move on to the next stage. Step 3. Document requirement list and verification. Once the skills assessment is complete, we will provide you with a list of documents needed for the application. It is important that we verify all the documents given by you so that it meets the requirements of the Australian government. Well, this may include educational qualifications, work experience, and personal documents for verification. Step 4. Interview with the immigration lawyer or employer. After document verification, it is important to set up an interview with the immigration lawyer or potential employer. This interview helps to ensure that all parties are aligned on requirements and expectations for visa application. Well, this also gives us a chance to answer any questions that you may have about the process. Step 5. Obtaining the job offer. At this point, if everything is aligned and the interview is successful, we will then move forward in securing a job from an Australian employer. The job offer is a key component of the Subclass 482 visa application, as it confirms your employment in Australia and supports your application for a work visa. Step 6. Visa submission. With the job offer in hand, we will then proceed with submitting your visa application. This includes all the necessary documents, assessments and forms required by the Australian Department of Home Affairs. Our team ensures that all the documents are submitted correctly and on time, minimizing the risk of delays. Step 7. Visa grant. Finally, once your visa application is processed and approved by the authorities, you will then be granted the Subclass 482 visa. This means you can live and work in Australia and also start planning your permanent residency over there. Well, the conclusion is that the Subclass 482 visa may seem complex, but we at Receptive Solutions are here to simplify it for you. From the day you submit your resume to the day you receive your visa grant, we'll be there with you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. And thank you for trusting Receptive Solutions for your immigration journey. We'll keep coming back with more content for you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.